Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin right away by turning the ignition off and folding the antenna if your Swift has a collapsible mast. Once done, remove any plastic cap at the base and expose the retaining nut. You should use a 10 mm wrench while holding the antenna steady with pliers below to prevent twisting the cable. Make sure to protect the roof paint with a cloth or tape. This avoids scratches when you apply force to loosen the base nut. Once the base is loose, you pull the mast straight up. Don't pry at an angle, so the coax slides cleanly out of the connector. Next, disconnect the cable by pressing the clip or unscrewing the inner connector depending on style, then remove the rubber gasket. Inspect it and the base for cracks or corrosion. You want clean threads and an intact O-ring for a watertight seal. If corrosion is present, clean with contact cleaner and a small brush before installing the new antenna. You seat the new antenna into the base, hand start the threads to avoid cross-threading, and then tighten snugly with the wrench. Do not over-torque. The goal is firm and watertight. Once tightened, reconnect the coax, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to prevent corrosion, and replace the rubber gasket. Finally, test AM/FM reception and drive or pour water over the seal to confirm no leaks. If you get static or no signal, check the coax connection and ground. Loose or corroded connectors are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.